Welcome back, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I'm going to need you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you are notified when I upload. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started with trading Forex. So with that being said, let's not waste no time and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys are going to need to do when starting trading Forex, you're going to first need to learn how to trade Forex, which is basically with anything that you start off with. You got to learn about it, right? So do your research. So with that being said, there are several free websites out there that you could learn from. So you're going to want to make sure that you're learning from a reputable site. I personally learned from a site that I was recommended, babypips.com. I'll have a link to that in the description so that you guys can learn from that. Go through that, soak up every single thing from that site, man. Everything. Then after you soak up all the information from babypips.com, you're going to want to watch free content on YouTube, like all the basics, like how to spot support and resistance, market structure, just everything that goes with Forex. So that is it for number one. After you learn about Forex, the second thing that you guys are going to want to do is you are going to want to find a broker. So there's a lot of brokers out there. There's regulated brokers, there's unregulated brokers, and there's obviously pros and cons between the two. So you're gonna have to obviously do your research on that. But some things that you could look for is like how fast do they respond to you, if they're even gonna respond to you when you ask them a question. The customer service, the withdrawal process. Do you have to withdraw with crypto? Do you do wire transfers to your bank? How you deposit money into the account are some things that you're going to want to know when you are looking for brokers to use. Also, when you are making these brokers, when you are looking at these brokers and you're going to make your account, there's going to be ECN account, there's going to be these different type of accounts. Make sure you make an ECN account and you don't make a market maker account, because ECN accounts, the way the broker makes their money is through spread. So when you place your trade, they make their money then off commission. With the market maker, they make money off when you lose. So if you make money, they lose money. When you lose money, they make money. So that gives them the opportunity to manipulate the market. So you don't want to make a market maker account. Make sure you make an ECN account. That being said, let's move on to the third thing that you guys are going to need, which is going to be a demo account. Every broker should have a demo account that you could open so that you could trade with fake money. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open this demo account and start trading with this fake money on live markets so that you can get the feel of how it feels to be in the market. Only thing that you won't get is the emotional side of it because it's fake money, but you still get the feel of, you know, how it feels to be in the market, so that when you do go to make that transition, let's say you were profitable on that demo account for 6 months and then you were ready to go live. So when you're ready to go live, you're already profitable for 6 months. Now that transition to that live account will potentially be a lot easier than if you didn't go on that demo account and practice. So make sure you go on that demo account and get that experience in there so that when you get ready to go on that live account, it's a little bit easier. Also, while you're on that demo account, make sure you are journaling, man. Keep numbers while you are on that demo account so that you know what's working and what is not working. Because if you see something that's not working, man, drop it instantly so that you don't make a habit to doing those bad things. Because when that's something that can destroy your trading, doing bad habits, man. So just make sure you keep a journal so that you can knock off all bad things instantly, man. Just knock it off instantly. With that being said, the fourth thing that you guys are going to need is a trading platform. So what I use is TradingView. What a lot of traders use, they use TradingView, and then recently MT4 and MT5 was just recently banned on iOS. So you won't be able to use that if you have an Apple phone. Only way that you can use it on your Apple phone is if you already have it downloaded and you did not delete it, because if you delete it, you won't be able to re-download it. So that's the only way you can use that. Or if you have an Android phone, I think Androids can still use it. So if you have an Apple phone, you have to use CTrader, or some brokers have mobile softwares that you could download so that you can trade from your phone. Other than that, you're just gonna have to trade from MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 from the desktop app on your computer or your broker's app on your computer. With that being said, let's move into the final thing that you guys are going to need when starting to trade Forex, and that is to go live, man. Go live on a live account. What would be the point of you learning all this? Going to learn Forex, learning where to go trade, learning what trading platform, just to not go live. So you have to go live and apply all this information that you get. And when you go live, man, remember to start slow and do not compare yourself to other people, because when you start to compare yourself to other people, it will start to diminish your trading, because you can be like, you see someone make 20K and maybe you make $10 and be like, damn, he just made 20K and I just made this little $10, but that $10 is 10 more dollars than you just had in your pocket. So when you go on a live account, make sure you don't compare yourself to people and take it slow. Start off with the smallest lot size to get the practice in, so that you can get the psychology practice in, since you already got the consistency from the demo account. When it comes to strategy, now you just got to get the psychology part in. So start with the lowest lot size, get the psychology in. Then once you get that part down, you slowly build up the lot size, and those are the 5 things that you need to begin trading Forex, man. I hope you guys found some value in that video, man. Go join the Discord community. I'll have a link to that in the description below, and I'll also have a link to all the references that I mentioned in this video in the description. Also go follow me on Instagram. You can see everything that I post in real life. I post all my charts on there daily. I post everything on there daily, so go follow me on Instagram. That'll also be in the description below. And let's just continue to grow as traders, man, and see y'all in the next video.